shop tour for Jolene the Tool Woman Taylor. Shall we? Okay, so this is my shop. This is my wood pile. Scrap pile, really. My good wood pile's on the other side. This is the cabinet that came with the house, and I try to keep it as organized as possible. And I have things basically divided up in sections. Baskets for tape, Craig jig, screws and nails, glue, paintbrushes, you get the idea. This is my favorite spot with my chalkboard and my magnets that I made. This is the workbench that Kurt, my husband, made for me. Rolls around, has a bench vise, has storage underneath. You can drop it down so that it will stay put because it's on casters. This is my dust collection system, Mr. Snuffleupagus. It's very important to keep dust out of the shop. This is my clamp collection. This is how I keep my clamps. I just threw this up here. Eventually I'd like to get more. This is my sander. It's very high power, very pretty. This is another cabinet that I painted just to fit it in my shop, and it holds more odds and ends. My brad nailers, pin nailer. This is a bench thing that it's like you can put it up here and you can work on it. I forget what it's a finishing bench that my friend's husband made for me a couple years ago. I love it, it's beautiful. This is my scroll saw, my DeWalt 788 that I absolutely love and helped me get things scrolled for the Christmas Bazaar. This is my table saw jig that I'm able to cut straight across the wood safely instead of ripping nice and cross-cut jig, that's what it's called. And this is where I keep some tools, rulers, and things, and headphones, some pieces of stuff that I use around here. Well, it's more than headphones. This is how I heat my shop, my little dish. Drill press. This is another thing that Kurt made for me. It's my charging station for all of our tools like drills, little palm router. This is my, I feel like I'm going through a nomenclature thing where I have to remember all the names of my tools. This is my planer, my electronic planer, and helps me get my wood nice and flat. This is my awesome saw stop table saw with the saw stop technology so that I don't cut my fingers off. So if I touch the blade and you look down here, you can see that this is flashing. If I let go of the blade, it stops flashing. That shows you, so if I put a piece of metal on that, it would flash or whatever if you're wondering what you want to use, what you want to cut. That's my good wood pile with like my hardwoods. And this is my jointer. So this takes like the edge of a piece of wood and makes it straight so that when you run it through the planer. And then this is my husband. Say hi.
Hi.
And then over here is if you come out to my shop and you want, and I'm making noise, this is just some safety gear you can grab and put on so you can talk to me. And that concludes my tour. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.